In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a document on Wix. For this, we'll have to go to our Wix webpage and click on Edit Site. Then our editing site will be opened. After that, we'll go to the left corner and click on Add Elements. Then click on Search button. Then write down Documents. Two buttons will appear, and click on Document buttons. Then select any one of the document formats and drag it onto your web page. Place it anywhere you want. After that, add it to a media from your computer. Select any PDF or document from your PC. Upload it on Wix and click on Add to Page. Your document will be added onto your web page like this. If you want to do it again, click on Add Elements, Search, then Document buttons, select another format, drag it, and that's how you can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.